Hey everyone, welcome to the vlog. It's December 8th. It is a little bit late in the day currently because I woke up this morning at 7 a.m.-ish with a insane headache, migraine. So I got up, I drank like a whole glass of water, I took some ibuprofen, and I turned off my alarm and I went back to sleep. So now here we are at 12:35. I'm still very tired and I still have a looming headache, but it's low enough that I can function. So now that it's 12:30, we have a movie to go to in like 3.5 hours. So I think that in that 3.5 hour time frame, I could make one top. I'm sure I could make one top in 3.5 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on that. The next top is a sneak a peek top in the color Damask Ombre, which I also just bought a bunch of these. So fun, fun, fun. I'm gonna get this started. Probably not gonna talk very much because my brain wants to melt out through my ears. But I love you.
If Baldur's Gate 3 did not exist, Tears of the Kingdom would have swept 100% over Spider-Man 2. Crazy.
Do you want to hear about the crochet drama? Why are they leaf blowing in the hallway? Progress update. Okay, so I'm a big liar and I did not finish this top before we went to the movie, but I got like really good progress on it. So I'm gonna bring this, work on it in the car, not in the movie, but in the car. And I'll let you know how the movie went once we get back. We're back from the movie. The movie was nice. I liked it. I definitely liked it. It was pretty long, honestly. The waitress complimented my earrings because these are from Spirited Away, and I was like, oh, thank you. I ordered chicken fingers and they were delicious. They were so good, and I always dip my chicken fingers in ranch because you need ranch, okay? It's really good. And as soon as we got home, we were watching the newest episode of Frieren Beyond Journey's End because it's so good. It comes out every Friday. 10 out of 10, recommend that anime for everyone. But I was working on the top while we were watching that, and I actually finished it. So here it is. Ta-da! And that goes with the lily top that we finished last night. So great, that's one order done. And I got a notification that I have some packages, so let's go. Alrighty, here we go. First, we have a big old box, a box. And another box. Oh, there's more stuff, Whenever I was looking at this, I was a little bit confused because I don't know how to read, apparently. This is an electric can opener. I'm gonna leave it in the box because it'll be much easier to wrap that way, but just know that this is an electric can opener, not an electric car opener. This is for Cesar's mom, so lovely. Next is this little pink box. This is a gift that I got from my stepmom. I don't know why it's in a bag and not in like the jewelry holder place, but I'm gonna take it out. My stepmom likes pretty and simplistic necklaces, so I just got her this. It's just like a real simple short 16-inch chain with a little white pearl on the end. I think it's pretty. Okay, I'm gonna actually put it on the display thing so that when she opens it, she'll see the necklace and not just inside of a little baggie. Wonderful. Next, we got a little wireless charger for Cesar's sister. It's like one of those wireless charging pad thingies. On Thanksgiving, we were over at Cesar's mom's house and we were like, let's play a game. But his little sister was like, we don't really have any games. So I bought them Uno so that next time we're at their house, we could play some games. I bought the tin because this is way easier to not lose instead of just getting like the regular card box. This is nice quality. Next, this is a purse insert organizer thingy. So you like open this up and it goes inside your purse and then it has all of these pockets and stuff. I guess you can take this out. Oh. This flips over and it has Velcro in it, so you can Velcro it inside. Okay, I'm figuring it out. This opens up flat and then this Velcros in on the sides. Aha, and then you set this in your purse and it has all these little pockets for you. This is for Cesar's mom, if I didn't already say that. Oh, I'm gonna have to undo the Velcro, but no, I'll just put it in a box like that. Next. Oh, perfect. Spider-Man 2 for the PS5. That goes to my brother. Good game, by the way. Not as good as Baldur's Gate 3. And one last box. Oh wow, this is nice. This is a D&D book for my brother-in-law. Oh, it has 17 adventures in it. I thought this was gonna be like smaller. I thought it was gonna be like kind of like a comic book, but this is nice. Oh, and it has pictures in it too. Lots of maps. Interesting. I've never played D&D, but my sister and my brother-in-law are really into it, so this is like a giant foldable map in the back. That's nice. Okay, and that is the last thing from the mail haul. Well, now that we have these two tops done for this order, why don't we just go ahead and pack them up? So the next order on my list is the last order that I have from Black Friday. Interesting. I'm looking at it and at first I was thrown off because they ordered the exact same top that we just made, the Sneak a Peek in Damask Ombre, same size and everything. And then the next one is Earth Ombre. So they got the same exact colors one of them is same top, same color, same size. The other one is same color, same size, but different tops. So I guess I don't want to like bore you to death by making the same top twice, so I'm going to start with the next one, which is a custom Valerie top in the Earth Ombre color. I know that I will definitely not finish this tonight, but I might as well get it started. It is pretty late. It's already 11:52, so we haven't really done much today. I got a late start, and then I didn't feel like doing anything really because my head hurt. By the way, my head is much better now, so that's all well and good. But then we went and saw a movie, and I mean, honestly, like, I don't know, I guess I just had like a very laid back, chill day, and I didn't do much at all. I'm not counting these. So I guess at this point, I'm just gonna be crocheting for the rest of the night until I get too tired and go to sleep.
Ruins of Valve discovered? Dwarven mechanism?
Alright, so this is the progress that I made on the Valerie top. I mean, this is a good amount of rows for sure, but I'm gonna finish this tomorrow because it's pretty late. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up and all that jazz. But I will see you in the next one. Bye.